All right, so now for this one, we're just going to try guess and check. On the last one, I wanted to show you that the AC method works for anything that's factorable. But this one, we're just going to use guess and check method. We've been using it for quite some time. Guess and check works great when you just have this x squared. If you don't have a number in front of the x squared, that's easy because I can figure out that x times x equals x squared. Then if I take that last term, which is 20, I just need to figure out two numbers that when I multiply them, okay, so they equal negative 9x, right? So I got to think of two numbers that when I multiply them, I get 20, but when I add them up, I get negative 9x. So it's going to be negative 4 and negative 5, right? So negative 4 times negative 5 equals positive 20, right? But negative 5 times x is negative 5x, and x times negative 4 is negative 4x. So negative 4 plus negative 5 does equal negative 9. So I've already factored this one, and I get x minus 4 times x minus 5. Ooh, that's a crude looking 5. So hard to write on this tablet. I think I'm going to buy a new one because it's starting to stick in some places. That's all equal to 0. So what does that mean? That means x minus 4 has to equal 0, and x minus 5 has to equal 0. So then I get x equals 4, and I get x equals 5. And that's it. So real quick, if I want to double check my answer, what do? I'm going to graph it, right? So let's do that. Clear this out. X squared minus 9x, except now it is plus 20, right? Keep in mind, this only works because I set it equal to 0. Look at that, 4 and 5, all day, every day. It's like I know what I'm doing. So we're going to just take a screenshot of that. Plop that bad boy right here. So what does this mean? That means that it crosses the x-axis at 4 and at 5. So this point here is 4, 0, right, which is our x, y value. And then this one right here is 5, 0, right? And just in case you were wondering, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. So when I say 4, 0, that means I'm going over 1, 2, 3, 4, and going up 0. For this one, I'm going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going up 0. Okay? That's it on that one.